don't know what that little feller is. It's kind of got like a reddish pink color. White chest. The wing feathers is like a house wren. It's cute. Joe's Drive-In at Isom features hamburgers, hot dogs, sides, steaks, cones, and of course the best chicken in the mountains since 1966. That's the Bulldog Birthday Club at 7:50 each weekday morning. Presented by Joe's Drive-In at Isom on 103.9 The Bulldog. Good morning, and thank you for joining. A little yard finch and a woodpecker.
Are you prepared for the changing seasons? Get your $69 seasonal HVAC tune-up from the pros at Comfort Heating and Air, and you'll ensure peak system efficiency and help prevent all year.
Before you plan your weekend, check the 7-day forecast on Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Sponsored by Lions Heating, Cooling, Plumbing, and Electrical.
Squirrel across the road and a yard finch too.
Hello?
And no, he won't even give you not one.
Another medical emergency? What's wrong with him now?
He said could be a
I seriously doubt he was bitten by a Chinese bird spider. How exactly does a bump feel Asian?
Yeah.
I'm on the phone.
I mean, there ain't no better off.
Sheldon, I am not driving over there yet.
AT&T and
Because I drove over there yesterday for a brainstorm that turned out to be an ice cream headache.
if I take it that,
Yes,
okay,
I still want to
before I
be your
come,
emergency
you can
contact. Yes, you can eat your ice cream too fast and also have a brain tumor.
Good Lord, that's a whole flock of brown-headed cowbird. Female and male.
People in the family who've decided to be